Yo, what's going on YouTube? Just doing a quick video on this carbon fiber diffuser. I think it looks great. I think I got my bang for my buck on this. The pattern looks great. You guys can be the judge. You know, I did a lot of looking online and how to tell if carbon fiber is real or not. And for the most part, I can say the diffuser is about like probably 80% real. Why? Here, let me tell you why I think that. Because with these free pieces that were included, there's some videos on YouTube saying how to tell if your carbon fiber is real. And this is one of the main culprits right here, is this black piece connected to your carbon fiber. So basically when you see a black piece, that means it's probably been infused with fiberglass, and it probably only has one weave of actual carbon fiber. So you still do have carbon fiber, but it's just not 100% carbon fiber, so it has a little bit more weight than normal carbon fiber. But they still look great. One thing I am happy about is that this piece does not have that black outlining anywhere. And you can see the weave on the other side. So that made me happy. Unlike these, this one you can't see the weave. It's just straight fiberglass. It's like a molding they use. This feels like kind of, I don't know, it just feels like a flimsy type material, and this feels really solid, man. It almost feels like metal, kind of. And it has a different sound compared to this. Like, this has more of a plasticky feel, and this has more of a firm feel. So since these came free, man, I don't really care, you know. Alright, so we racked it up. You can jack it up, but basically all we gotta do is take out these little clips. Right there, right there, right here, right here, right here, right here. And it just straight bolts on. You just use a little panel popper, but you can use a little screwdriver. And it pops right out.
Alright, once you remove all these black plastic clips, now don't forget these guys. So these just push in right here, slide them out. So demonstrate that. Slide them out. Oh, oops. There you go. Just push them in, slide them out.
Also, one more thing, there's a little bolt right there. Try to get it focused. It's right there. Just get a little angle.
I can't see it.
And you'll be able to get it. Right there. Alright, so basically we just put two clips on. I alcohol wiped it all around on the bumper itself, so I can stick the 3M tape on the other side. But yeah, this is basically pretty simple, man. Just you put all these little bolts and all these little clips, and you just self-tap them, and it's put on. You don't really need a lift for this. You can straight just jack it up or get under the vehicle, but luckily I do have a lift and I'm able to do that. So I'll show you at the very end how it looks. Alright, so basically what we did is just threaded that bolt and put a nut on it. And those are the only two bolts that we actually need. And they hold it on perfectly. But now what we're doing is the side skirts of the back bumper. We gotta pop these two and it'll fit right on there.
I think the wrong one sitting on there.
But basically, yeah, you just put them right on. Pop those two. Make a hole right here, a hole right here. Just tap in. It comes with self-tappers. Alright, now we just basically put that on. Now you gotta self-tap the screws on that little hole. Just like that. Just like that. There it is, get the fitment. So that basically wraps it up. You know, a quick little video, I did add a front lip. Looks pretty good. Basically all I did was just screw it in. I just put all these self-tapping screws to the bottom. That's basically it. I just put some 3M. You kind of see it right there. Just 3M'd it, cleaned it up, prepped it up good. Carbon fiber lip. It's pretty good, looks pretty cool. That's basically it. So I will get a Remark exhaust. I pre-ordered it already. It's gonna come in July, so keep out an eye for that video. Build's coming in pretty nice. It's gonna look good.